Good afternoon, Warriors. Today is Wednesday, the 5th of September, 2018. Hopefully, we all stay cool out there the rest of the day and this evening. Taking a look at math. All classes today had section 1.3. It's a worksheet that they needed to complete. Fourth period also had 1.2, which was on the reverse side for them. So nothing out of the textbook tonight. It is a worksheet. Make sure you are utilizing your journal. In science, we've got a section review. That is 5 questions. That is on the Chromebook. You may use your notes for that. In social studies and language arts, there is no homework. And in literature, if you did not take your STAR test on Tuesday, hopefully you did go during Warrior Time today to see Mrs. Shaver. If not, you need to go through and see her tomorrow during Warrior Time. You also need to be reading 20 to 30 minutes a night, as we'll be getting into taking AR tests here by the end of the week. Last but not least, if you have not brought the FCCLA letter back to your Warrior Time teacher yet this week, you need to do so by this upcoming Friday. That's going to be it for today. Make it a good one.